wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So no glasses this time around, but I feel like you can still kind of see it. This is why I was wearing the sunglasses in my last video. I was not hungover in that video. I actually injured my eye. Don't ask how, I don't know. I literally do not know how, but that was recovering. That's why I had the sunglasses in the last video. I'm still in the process, but I didn't want to stop that from letting me show you guys this package that I got in the mail. So if you guys want to know about this new release from Rare Beauty, let's go. So I got this in the mail. Selena Gomez on the box. Cute packaging. Back says kind words. I did not know what it was until I opened it. Then I opened it and I remembered I saw a post. If I could open it, I remember I saw a post about this launch. So inside is, on the inside they've got these new lip liners and then these lipsticks down here. I'm pretty sure they've had these lipsticks. Like I feel like when they launched, I remember buying, yeah, because it was like a push thing, right? I don't believe this is new. I'll read the book. But these are the Kind Words matte lip liners. I remember seeing a post about this. These retail for $15. It says smooth glide, ultra creamy matte color, waterproof, won't smudge, feather, or fade, complete with built-in sharpener. Okay. Oh, these are new. Oh, okay, these are new. These are their Kind Words matte lipsticks. These retail for $20 each. High pigment, one swipe color, cushiony, comfortable all day wear, weightless with a soft matte finish. Okay, so I didn't realize those were new too. Go ahead and do some swatches. The book, like, hello presentation. Okay, all right. Thumbnail. This picture's giving me something, but I'm not gonna say it because, you know, I'm not gonna start no mess. I don't know, I like this, like just how it feels. It feels fancy. Okay, let me go ahead and swatch them. Come on. Hopefully I can do this quick. So these are all 10 swatched from top to bottom. Also remember, like, you can always pause the video to see them and keep up. I'm not sure where my finger's gonna be pointing, but these are talented, creative, lively, worthy, humble, fun, wise, bold, gifted, and strong down here. To be quite honest, I really only care about like the last four. So these four right here, obviously these shades are not going to line my lips, but they are colors that I could use to fill in my lips as a, you know, a lip color and then line my lips with one of these colors down here. But if we're being really honest, it's really just this brown one that I'm like, because it's a brown lip liner. So y'all already know that's close to my heart. So I'm gonna try the brown lip liner on with one of these other colors. I'm not sure if it's one of these lip liners or one of the lipsticks, but I didn't realize that the lipsticks are also new. Oh, also let me just leave this here for a minute, you know, so you can really see the colors, the swatches. Since I didn't realize that they were also new, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the lipsticks too. Okay, so it just works like, just push and then pull out. Childish. And these are all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All 9. Yeah, look, I think I'm missing a shade because it says available in 10 long wearing shades, but I only have 9 swatched. Maybe it fell off in the box. I could lift this. Ooh. Yes, it did. Found it. So those are all 10 shades swatched, and they are in order: talented, lively, worthy, humble. Oh, do they match up with the liners? Oh. Oh, wait, do they? They probably match up with the liners. Fun, wise, bold, gifted, strong, and creative. Yeah, I think they line up with the liner colors Because Strong is the brown lip liner shade, and then this is the Strong lipstick shade. So it's kind of giving you a lipstick shade that's going to be similar to the lip liner. So I am going to try, I want a light lipstick. I'm going to try this Creative shade as the lipstick color. Okay, definitely goes on creamy. I don't know about one swipe color, and dries down a little bit more matte. I'm going to put the lip liner on now. Obviously the lip liner toned it down, helped a little bit more. Keep in mind I have no other makeup on, so it's just my lip that we're focusing on here. The color is still, you know, the color of the lipstick is still a no for me. I need to, I gotta make this a lip that could work, that I would like walk out of the house with, because this ain't doing it for me. There we go. I went over the lipstick with the lip liner Wise, because it just, yes. And that this is more, you know, full face going on, like a lip color I would actually walk out of the house in. So my thoughts on this stuff, I do feel like it dries down matte. Not matte like dry your lips out matte, but soft matte is how it's going to dry down. I usually prefer lip liner under the product first. You know, I try it on top so you can see what the lip color by itself looks like. The lipsticks, I'm not a big bullet lipstick fan to begin with, so you know, it's just kind of like a okay for me. I feel like the star of the shows here are the lip liners. I like the lip liners. They're nice and creamy. They're pigmented. You know, a couple shades I could choose from. The other ones, like I said, I could use, like I used the second lip liner, and they're only $15. Okay, Rare Beauty, but I feel like that's the star of the show. The star are the lip liners. Let me see, 1 second. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all that I've got for you guys. I said it has a smooth glide. It does. Ultra creamy matte color. I feel like they dry pretty matte, and you know, glides on ultra creamy. Waterproof, won't smudge. Oh, let me see, won't smudge. I don't know. I mean, I hit that pretty hard, and let's see the actual like lip liner smudge out of my, you know, they might be onto something there. Complete with built-in sharpener. Where do I find that? So yeah, just pull that out, and there's a sharpener at the end. Okay, I like this lip liner, specifically this brown color. Y'all gonna see this again. I've been using the Makeup Mario one. Yeah, Strong is it called? Yeah, we friends, we good. And yeah, that is it for this video. Just wanted to really quickly bring you guys some swatches on dark skin, see what they're working with, give my quick little thoughts. They'll be linked in the description down below. Let me know your thoughts on this launch. If there's anything else you guys want to see a video on, let me know that down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.